Hey everybody, and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we're going to draw Los Angeles Rams defensive tackle Aaron Donald. This guy is a beast on the field, right? Smashing quarterbacks and just taking people to the ground. He's one of the strongest, if not the strongest, football player in the NFL. So we're going to get our black colored marker here, fine tip, and we're going to find the center of our page. We're going to start Aaron Donald's head up here. Aaron Donald's got kind of a rounder head and a bigger body, so this is going to be an interesting drawing. We'll see how it works out. So we'll do the chin, so kind of a rounded point, rounded. Ear. He's got kind of a rounded head, so we got two curves, 1, 2. And then it goes to his top. He's kind of got this Mr. T mohawk thing on top of his head. Alright, so let's do the hair. The flat hair comes over. See how it's flat across? Almost looks like a sumo wrestler's hair right now. And then this is all going to be colored in black because that's going to be his hair. We'll do that in a minute. Okay, let's do a couple of big circles for eyes. 1, 2, because we draw our football sports players cartoon style, kind of a Funko Pop style. Do a circle inside, and we're going to leave that white for the highlight. Okay, and now Aaron Donald's got this beard going on, so we'll do a mustache that comes down like that. Connect the mustache. Now on the edge of this mustache, we're going to go straight to the side of his face, straight to the side of his face. And we're going to color this in black. Okay, this is his beard. Okay, so you get the point. We'll color that in a little bit better. And now he's got a big wide neck because he's strong. This guy can bench press 500 pounds. That means he can push 500 pounds of weights laying down on the bench. Incredible. I can't even, that blows my mind. All right, so the neck's going to come down. 1, 2, and we're going to draw a V. So we're going to connect that neck. So he's got the big wide neck. Shoulder pads, 1, 2, and we're gonna do, how should we do this? Let's do a shoulder pad. Bring that jersey down, down to the waist, cross, connect. There we go. Kind of a wider defensive tackle body right there, huh? Okay. So let's do a bulge. Those are the biceps. Aaron Donald's gonna be flexing in our drawing, okay? We're gonna bring start over here by the armpit area. We're gonna bring curve up and a curve up. All right, bring this elbow up and down. Bring this elbow up, curve around, connect to the bicep. See, Aaron Donald's now flexing. And he wears an undershirt, so let's do a line here and a line there for his undershirt. He also wears a towel over his pants, so down, over, up, that's his towel. Kind of looks like a sumo wrestler, I understand, but okay, let's draw the legs here. Fun cartoon legs, down, up to the towel, up to the waist, okay. Squares or rectangles for the socks. And now we're gonna draw the big shoes like we always do. So 1, 2, 3 for the laces. 1, 2, 3 for the laces. Big shoes. Big shoes. And now connect to the ankle. Okay. Bring that over and connect to the front of the shoe. Cleats, 1, 2. So we're gonna draw these cleats, because football players need cleats. So Aaron Donald came from the University of Pittsburgh, has turned into probably the best defensive lineman in the NFL right now, at least the most feared, that's for sure. So we've drawn our Aaron Donald outline here. What we're gonna do is, I'll just outline while we're here. I'll outline the 99, number 99. So start right here, we'll go and an oval. Okay, so now we have the 99 built in. We're gonna do the blue jersey, yellow pants, blue socks, blue cleats, flesh color, and black undershirt, black hair, flesh color, and we will have Aaron Donald of the Los Angeles Rams done. Cartoon Funko Pop style for Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. We're gonna fast forward now.